In this video, I will show you how to create a new Google Meet. In this video, I will show you how to create a new meeting in Google Meet. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up Google Meet app. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, so after open up a Google Meet app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this new right here. Then here you go. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on create link right here. Then here you go. All you have to do is simply click on copy the meeting link right here. Once you copy the meeting link, you can share the link with other people that you want them to join you in your meeting. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on join right here. And you'll be taken in